In this video, we're going to show you how to measure up your case. Unfortunately, there's no set standard size for cases, so we need to make sure that your measurements are correct so we can get your graphic made for your case. As you can see in front of me, I've got 3 of the most common style of cases, and we're going to show you how to measure each one properly. Let's start with the rectangular Tolex case, and we will measure it up for a wraparound graphic. You'll need a tape measure, a simple straight edge, and some masking tape. Start by taping the straight edge to the side of the case. So we take the straight edge and run the tape across it, hold it in place, just like that. So it's flush up against the edge of the case. Take your tape measure, you're going to hook it onto the other side of the case, just like that, and then you're going to take that measurement right to the edge of the straight edge. So you can see my measurement is 14 5/8. If you have a standard Tolex case without bindings like this, you can repeat that step and measure the entire length. So tape your straight edge to the one leading edge, run your tape measure through to give you your length. For this particular case, because it's got bindings, the graphic will go in between the bindings. So your graphic is going to end here and not go over it. So we're going to measure the length in between the bindings only. Take the tape measure, butt it up against the top binding, and take the measurement right to the edge of the other binding. So as you can see, I've got 37 and 9/16. Now for the handle and hinge side of the case, you only need to measure one, either the handle side or the hinge side, because they should be identical. Start by taping the straight edge to the top of the case. Then we're going to open up the case and measure from the lip of the case to the straight edge. And as you can see, I've got 1 inch and 3/8. Now we're also going to add the inside lip to this measurement. So we want to get that measurement right there, which is about 3/8 of an inch. And that's it. For a full wrap case, you'll want to repeat these steps for the bottom part of the case. On the bottom, you'll want to measure where the cleats are and their positions. This is so we don't end up with important graphics going over where the cleats are. So you'll measure the distance they are away from either edge and in between each cleat, just like that, and you're going to measure the width of the cleat itself. Do this for all 4 cleats, and then we won't have any problem with any graphic space going anywhere near the cleats. The graphic that you order will always come with a little extra material to make it easy to install all the way around. So wrapping around the edge all the way to the inside of the lip. And you'll have a little bit extra to pull. That'll be trimmed off after you install. The only graphics that won't come with extras are the face graphic only. So the face graphic only will be printed right before the edge of the wraparound. So if I was doing a face graphic, it would be 14 1/8 by 37 1/2. And that will be the fixed size of the graphic. There's no wraparound.